So I start by turning my hot water on to make sure that the water gets really hot. After it has got really hot, I put some in a bowl, and then I am going to pour my red dye into the water. This is the red dye that I will be using today. I pour 1 cap full into the water and mix it up with a straw. I am getting my unit together. This is the silk base closure that I will be dipping. So I just kind of turn the wig inside out and dip the silk base closure into the dye mixture. You want to make sure that the closure is inside of the liquid. I pulled it out to see if it got any darker, and it got a little darker, but I just put it back in there for a little while longer. So now on to washing the unit. First, I am going to comb it out a little bit so that it won't tangle when I put the shampoo on it. Now I'm going to wet the whole wig. And then apply shampoo. So as you can see, I'm going to work that in and then rinse it out. You want to make sure you rinse and wash in a downward motion. You don't want the hair to tangle up. If you want to see how I colored this hair, the link to that video will be below. And if you want to see clips from my wig class where I made this wig, the link to that video will be below as well. This is the conditioner that I will use. I'm going to put that all over the hair and work that in the same way I worked in the shampoo. I am going to detangle the wig and let the conditioner sit on for a little while and then come back and rinse it out. Okay, now that some time has passed, I am going to rinse out the conditioner. Another tip when I'm washing my units, I like to hold the closure with the thumb of the opposite hand to make sure that I don't rip the lace or tear the lace. You want to make sure you get all of the conditioner out. Now I am making sure that I get out as much water as possible so that I can let it air dry overnight. This is how the silk base closure turned out. This is what the unit looks like wet, and this is after it has dried. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe.